Let's do it. I've applied foundation, done a little contour and concealing so that we can get right into the eye look. Oh, I also did my eyebrows. Step one is to prime my eyes, and I'll be using the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. Now, I'm going to grab my Morphe 35B color Artistry palette, and I'm gonna pick up this white color here. I'm gonna place that all over my lid and up into this crease here. I basically just want a white canvas. For my red wing, Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick. This color's Lady Balls. And using this super thin brush, taking some of the lipstick, I'm going to start by creating my wing. To create my wing, I start from my last lash, pull the liner a little bit outward, and begin to flick it up following the angle of my lower waterline. Then I start with the bottom of the leaf, drawing the first vein, then the second major vein, and then finally the top vein of the leaf. Picture a leaf with all the veins coming out of it, and that's essentially what I'm starting to build, and then connect those together. Now on this vein, I like to create what I like to call a chicken's foot with the veins first before I connect them. Then I connect my chicken's foot to the lower vein in a bit of a semicircle. And then I begin to fill it in. Once I have that filled in, I connect the chicken's foot to the top of the leaf, pulling together the look of the leaf. And if I were to do a full leaf, I'd match the other side. Now it's time to bring the red liner across my lash line. And I'm just taking tiny brush strokes along my lash line. If you're interested in a breakdown of how I create liner along my upper lash line, I'll make sure to link the video just in the corner there. Then I decided I wanted to place a liner above as well because that space below my eyebrow just felt too bare. Once I got the line across, I realized that it was going to take a lot of patience, so I decided to fast forward this and just do a voiceover. But essentially, I'm trying to mimic the shape of my eye, and then I'm going to flick it just above the maple leaf there at the end. Then, after conferencing with my maid of honor, I realized that I needed a silver line just above that red liner. And I'm so glad I did it because it looks so good and just takes that look to the next level. Oh, yes! Oh, that looks so pretty. I'm definitely going to have to do a second layer though. So we'll let that dry. I'm also struck by the need to do my under eye right now. So still using the Morphe 35B, going to use this black to start. Then I'm going to use that to create an under eye liner with that black eyeshadow. Not picking up any extra, just using what I have. Then I'm going to go back into my Morphe 35B and pick up the red color and blend out that black eyeliner that I've created myself. And I'm going to make sure to blend that red eyeshadow out over top of my eyeliner. Then I pick up my Hank & Henry eyeliner and I add to the wing of my look just on the edge there. I follow the edge of my red eyeliner. And then I'm also going to do that on the inner corner of my eye. And this is going to make my false eyelashes look more seamless. So I'm just going to do that second layer on the silver liner, and then I'm going to go over to the other side and catch us up. Bam. Okay, so I did my bronzer, blush, highlight, lashes, lips too, and I don't know guys, I feel like this look is missing something. So I'm going to do another leaf going up here. Actually, I'm going to do a half leaf to just keep that motion that's already kind of lifting my face up. Let's do it. So just recreating those steps, I draw out the veins for myself and then connect them and fill in any of the spaces that I connect with them. I Tried to follow the exact same pattern this time around so that it would match very well. Bam! I am dying. I love this. I like it because when it looks head on, it just looks like I've got these weird impressions on the side of my face. And then I look to the side and voila. Feeling very patriotic today. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Did I go too far with the extra leaf? Did I nail it? I need to know. Check it out. I got a mask. Shockingly, it doesn't even touch the lip gloss. Look. Lip gloss still perfect. Don't forget to like this video because you made it this far. And obviously you love my vibes, so subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and take it easy. Friendly, or is it beginner and budget friendly? Oh, let's try this again. They're very bold today. I don't know why. I was just feeling a bold brow. Oh, it actually looks so good.